Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can share like a book from Apple Books on your iPhone. So I don't have it installed, so I'm just going to do that real quick. Type in books and I'm just going to download it. And I'm just going to wait for that to load to my phone. God, my internet isn't working that great. So just be patient. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to obviously open the app here. And then you are going to just get started. You are going to select the three dots on the book that you want to share. Then you're going to select share book. Then you're just going to send it to whoever you want there. You can send it through AirDrop, email, and stuff like that. And that is how you can basically share books on Apple Book. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to this channel and me and everybody. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.